everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language of the Gemini AI feature in the Google app. If you prefer communicating with Gemini in a different language, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Open the Google app on your device and ensure you're signed into your account. Once on the home page, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. In the menu that appears, look for the Settings option and select it. On the next page, scroll down and tap on Gemini. Within the Gemini settings, locate the Language option and tap on it. This will take you to a page where you'll see two options: the language used by both Gemini and Google Assistant, the language exclusively for Gemini. To make changes for both Gemini and Google Assistant, choose the first option. Tap on the current language and a list of available languages will appear. Now, select your preferred language from the list. Once selected, the changes should take effect instantly. If they don't, restart the app to ensure the new language is applied. And that's it. Now you can enjoy interacting with Gemini in the language of your choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.